Good morning, my friends. Welcome to another episode of Frustrated to Freedom. By now, you should be getting a taste of the freedom of what's ahead and what's around you. And today's episode is number 77, and it is called This is Success. Now, all depending on what you're aiming at, whether it's the success is your internet marketing, which in most cases this is what we're doing. If it's success to be able to control your objectives, all of these things which we're teaching in this sessions, all of these sessions, the whole thing depends on what you believe is success. Now, success might be the first dollar that comes in, the first pound that comes into your account, the first time you're able to help someone, the first time you build a website. All of these things can be your target, your goal. So basically, we're different. We're different in the fact of what we actually want. Is it the goal of $1 million in your bank? Is it the goal of an extra couple of pounds in your bank? All of these things are up to you and how you've set yourself up for the project. But after this time, by now you should be seeing some progress. You should be feeling progress. As we said before in yesterday's The Best Plans, it's the same sort of thing. You decide what you're going for. You decide what the objectives are and how you're going to get there. So where we start and what our objectives are in the point of success. Now, from my point of view, I am feeling success, I am seeing success, and I know it's well on its way because clients, customers, all of these things are starting to come into my website. And there is my objective, and that is the target that I've got, set up by Wealth Academy, and that's the way we want to go. But success comes in different ways. It'll start slowly, a trickle, little bits, and in some cases you'll disregard it to say, whoa, nothing's happening really. You want a bash, you want the whole thing whoosh straight away. Start slowly, a trickle, just like a stream, and then suddenly it expands, and before you know it, you've got a volume coming towards you. And then you start to believe in what you're doing, and then you realize that all that fiddly work I put in, all that little tweaking and touching, is now starting to pay off, because it's all coming from here. You stuck with it. You kept going. You made adjustments. You asked questions. You made a few adjustments again. And so it went on. And now you're starting to see the success. And then shortly you'll see the floodgates. And then that's where you learn to continue. You learn to rack it up a little bit. And there's all these people around you who can give you advice on how to speed the thing up. Once you've got your target, then it's a case of getting everything in there to promote your target. We're assuming it's the website, but your target can be anything you like. The target could be to get the mindset to be able to talk to that nice young girl that lives 2 doors away or something like that, or a nice young man, as the case may be. It all depends on you, how you want to set things up and how you feel you want to progress. So go for it. Success is dependent on you. You might, as we say, we might decide that we want a small amount, we want something big, we want a whole lot rolling in. That's entirely up to you how you set your goals, because this is your space. This is your agenda. You get to do this completely. But you learn as you go along to make all these little tweaks and adjustments so that when you realize, yes, it is happening, and by now you realize it is happening. Because of the mindset, you know that that's progress. The mindset is something that works. You know that you can put into the back of your mind the thoughts that you want to see, the thoughts that you want to work on. And all of these, repeat it, write it down, whatever it is, how desperate it becomes, all of them will take action. And then when the time comes, subconscious gives you the answer. Subconscious. It's all part of you. And remember, you, the body, the mind, is all one. So don't let them act like two things. It's all you. And that's what you have got to learn, is to control the whole caboodle. That's a technical word, by the way. You've got to learn to control the whole lot. So here it is. In the mind, you get the mindset. And then we get to the progress stage, and then we decide success. What is success? Where is success? And remember, we make targets, we reach a target, then we make another target. And you just keep on going until you get to the stage where the ultimate, what is the ultimate, my friends? Happiness. Happiness should be there. You should have the mix in along with it, you see. If you go along as a frustrated old person or young person as it may be, thinking bad of everything around you, you won't get very far. No, it'll overwhelm you. You've got to think good. You've got to think happiness. You've got to think love. All of those things combine in here, towards your future and the future of others. All the time, it's trust in what you're doing, trust in what others are doing, have faith and belief in your destination, in your targets, and success will be just round the corner. Success is always just round the corner. It's not elusive, it's there for the taking, and you've got to be strong enough to take it and recognize it when it comes along. So this is what we got. You are getting to the stage of this is success. You're on the road to success. Be aware of it and enjoy it. Embrace it. See you tomorrow, my friends.